welcome to penhouse.in YouTube channel. I am Navi, the ultimate destination for pen enthusiasts, collector or anyone who appreciates the art of fine writing instruments. So I am thrilled to have you here. Today we are going to review a perfect, it's like a function pen, you can pronounce it, because it's like a luxury pen with a different designs in that, so you can use that as a party wear pen. So today we are going to Hero SH2000 model, and it's a rollerball pen. First I will show you the pen, and here we have a Hero SH2000 model, and it's a rollerball pen, and we'll see the box later. So in this video we are going to see the overall length, weight and writing of the pen. Before going to our video, kindly subscribe to penhouse.in YouTube channel and click the bell icon so that upcoming videos will be notified to you. Let's move on to the video. Okay, we'll discuss about the box, we'll explore the box later. First, I'm really waiting to do a review of this pen. It's Hero SH2000 model, and it's like a party wear pen. You can see here, it looks amazing when it's far away or the near. It's just amazing. So you can also rotate this here. This overall body is made up of metal, and look at the color combination. It's blue and then silver, and there is no trim rings, band or clip in this pen. It's very plain and simple with the shining. It's like a glossy finish, and I just love this pen. So we can it's both the thing, it's both the sides, it's like the same. We couldn't know how to open the pen, but they have given in the bottom of the cap, they have given a Hero brand logo. We can identify through that. That's the opening part. We'll see the construction now. We'll calculate the overall length of this Hero rollerball pen and SH2000 model. So we are going to use this vernier scale to calculate the overall length, and this is not a normal shape and not a normal finial. This length carries 136.70 mm. Now we'll unscrew this and we'll check the length including the tip size. It carries 119.00 mm. We calculate the grip section diameter. It's 9.64 mm, and the thread part diameter carries 10.86 mm. Now we'll calculate the overall weight and we'll continue to our video. We are going to carry the overall weight of this Hero SH2000 model, and this is a rollerball pen. This comes with a different shape. We'll calculate the weight first. It's 43 gram, and this is a heavyweight pen. We'll unscrew this and check the weight of this cap first. It carries 7 gram, and this overall body carries 36 gram. I'll unscrew this and check the weight of the barrel and the refill part. And the barrel carries 20 gram. The grip section part including this refill carries 15 gram. We need to unscrew this, and we have seen more methods in this refill tie, but here is a screw tie. So we'll calculate the grip section part. It carries 17 gram, and this refill carries 3 gram. Well, back to our video. We did the construction now. Then amazing. Actually, this is a heavyweight pen, but I'll look into the pen. Then this is an usual length. It's like a thread type cap, but here we have a 2 thread only. We can easily open this. You can see here we have 2 threads, and that's not very sharp, but we can't hold there and write. But other than that, that won't be a disturbance, but we can't hold there because this pen cap closes here, and we have a big grip section here. You can see here It's an amazing color combinations, blue, silver, and then stoneworks. It's just shining, you can see here. And this grip section part is also very glossy. And I couldn't take off my hands and eyes from this pen. It's like not a normal usual pen, but it's totally different. And we have a medium tip size, and this is a rollerball pen with blue color refill. I'll show you the refills now. Unscrewing this. And the best thing in the refill, in the grip section part and the refill is we need to unscrew the refill, and they didn't mention any brand name in the refill. You can see here. It's nice to hold. Yep. And there is a thread part. So these types of branded refills are available in penhouse.in. Now we'll do the writing sample. We'll check whether it's writing smooth or rough or slippery or non-slippery. We'll see that now. We are going to do the writing sample now. Unscrewing this. First we are going to write penhouse.in. Penhouse.in, and this is blue color refill, and the brand name is Hero SH2000 model, and it's a medium tip size. I'll do the rubbing test. Exactly this pen after writing it feels like it's like a fountain pen, but that's the difference between rollerball and then fountain pen. I'll do the smoothing test. Actually it's very smooth. It's nice. I'll write the alphabets. I want to make more pressure even though this is an heavyweight pen, but while writing this much smooth and non-slippery grip section, it feels good. And I couldn't feel like it's like a overweight pen. I'll draw the horizontal line and vertical line. It's very smooth. And it's very dark in color. Well, back to our video. We did the writing sample, and this is non-slippery and very smooth. Even though this is an heavyweight pen, but because of the smoothness and the constant refill flow, I couldn't feel it's like an overweight pen, and that's an amazing experience writing this pen. If you want to have the same feeling of mine, so if you want to, you need to buy this pen. And we came to the end of the session. Who all can use this pen? This is for adults, office going people, because it's an heavyweight pen and this is a luxurious pen. So we came to the end of session where the Penhouse is only reviewing these types of pens and uploading the videos. Not at all. We are retailers and manufacturers of different brands like Hero, Lamy, Shepherd, Ranga, Ratnam. All branded pens including all spars are available. If you want to know all the categories of our products, link in the description. Kindly see to it and enjoy this product. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay tuned with us. Tada, bye bye.